4 billion people use X every single month. Most of them are there for one reason: to consume opinions, recommendations, and informations about things they want to buy, try, and share with others. And almost every affiliate marketer has completely ignored this platform. They are on Pinterest, they are on TikTok, but X is different. X rewards good content with organic reach regardless of your followers count. And when you use AI to create that content and point it with the right affiliate offers, the traffic is free and the reach is massive, and the commissions follow. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can promote your affiliate links on X using free traffic and AI. And stay until the end because I'm saving the exact AI posting strategy for last, the one that gets your affiliate content in front of buyers, not browsers, every single time. And let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with X and affiliate marketing using AI, first you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So for me guys, I'm working with Fiverr affiliates, and this is my Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. And just in the last 7 days, I have made $12,187 just in the last 7 days, guys. This is my affiliates account dashboard. And just last month, guys, I have made $52,194. This is my payment page, and you guys can see the proof here. Okay, recent payment request details, it's paid. Okay, I already received this payment in my bank account, and I have been doing this business for over 7 years, and I know exactly what's working and what's not in 2026. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start and they want to make money with X and affiliate marketing using AI, like I said, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, it's super easy and simple. You will go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here like this. You will just sign up using your email address. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website over here. As you guys can see, you can scroll down and check their commission plan, because this affiliate marketing program, guys, is high ticket affiliate marketing program. They are paying high commissions, so you don't need millions of views or millions of clicks to make good commissions. You just need to target people who will be interested to buy those services that you will start promoting. Since they are paying good commissions, you also don't need paid ads. You just need, like I said, to create a good content that people will be interested to watch and will be interested to buy your offers that you will include in your content. Okay, you guys can see here. So for example, for pro services, they are paying, guys, up to 70% of the first order. And the best part with this affiliate marketing program is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is very, very good for other services. Okay, you guys can check the commission plan here if you want. Okay, and if you want to create your affiliate account, you will go back to this page and click on join now. Okay, once you click on join now, you will be, guys, in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process here is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You will click on yes, and here you need to put your social media profile link. So for example, if you want to promote those services on X Twitter, you can put here your X profile link. Okay, you want to promote those services on Pinterest, you can put here your Pinterest profile link, and so on. It's clear. Okay, so once you finish, you will click here on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from Canada, Australia, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, any country. Okay, and you will choose your language from here. If you have a Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process, super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be, guys, your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You will see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who use your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting. Okay, it's clear and it's simple. What you need to do next is you need to create X Twitter. So you will go to Google and create X Twitter, just like this one. Okay, it's super easy and simple. And X, guys, X Twitter, x.com, it's getting 4 billion monthly visitors. It's also a big social media platforms. Okay, and what you will do next, guys, once you go over here to X Twitter, and once you finish creating your X account like this, what you will do next, you will click here, guys, on the search bar, okay, and search for I need editor. As an example, search for I need editor, just like this. Okay, once you search for I need editor, here you go, you will find here a lot of people from X searching for video editors. Okay, you guys can see, let me show you, hiring AI video editor. Here is the first one, they are searching for video editor. Here is another person, they just posted those posts, guys, just today. You guys can see everything here. Okay, here is another one, I need a video editor for a vlog, anyone have a recommendation? You see, here is another one, hiring a paid freelance short form video editor. Here is another one, I need a video editor for my channel. Okay, you will find here a lot of people searching for video editors. Okay, so for you as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr, what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search and search for video editing services that people are already searching for on X. Okay, you will search for video editing. You guys can see that even this service is popular right now on Fiverr, meaning that this service has high demand and people are already paying for this service on Fiverr. We will search for video editing like this. Once you search for video editing, you will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. Okay, what you need to do next, let me show you guys. You will find, like I said here, a lot of sellers who provide this service. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Okay, so how you can choose good sellers? Always, guys, choose like top rated sellers and pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, who can provide good service for your customers, for people who will came from your affiliate link. Okay, so let me choose one as an example. I will do professional video editing. You guys can see this one here, it's top rated seller. He has over 3,000 reviews, which is very good. This service starting from $100, so this one is a good one. Okay, I will click on this one, I will choose this one as an example. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, guys, and here you go, you will be, guys, in this seller profile page. And you guys can see that this seller has 6 orders in queue, which is very good. Guys, keep also in your mind that this service, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service, guys, over and over, and you keep earning 10% revenue share that I explained in the beginning of the video. Okay, which is very good. So what I will do next, I will copy the link of this seller. Just copy the link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be in this page. Click on dip link and paste this affiliate, paste this seller page link here, this seller Fiverr page link here. Okay, and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. You will copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, if you are promoting pro services, Fiverr Pro new plan is your affiliate link. You will copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting other services, level 1, level 2, top rated seller, you will copy always your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years, and I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. And if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how you can use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI without showing your face and without using your voice and without any experience and without any skills. AI do everything. Okay, and how we can get free traffic without relying on paid ads, using free traffic from different social media platforms, meaning we create an SEO optimized content that we post on social media platforms that rank and keep getting traffic for years. Okay, and also how we can create a landing page and an affiliate website that you can use to promote your affiliate links in a safe way without getting banned from social media platforms. Okay, there is so much more inside the course. So instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students that are making good results. Some students are making $5,000 a month, some students making $10,000 a month, some students making $12,000 a month with affiliate marketing using AI and SEO optimized content. Okay, if you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description and I will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. We have created our affiliate link. We need to promote this affiliate link, guys, on X Twitter. So we will go to X Twitter. So we will pick one of those buyers who are searching for video editor, like this one, guys. I need video editor for vlog. So what I will do, guys, I will click here on a reply. Okay, and I need to create a professional reply with my affiliate link. So what I will do, guys, I will go to ChatGPT and ask him. So just go, guys, to ChatGPT and ask him to create a short and professional X reply to people who search for video editor to buy it from my website, like this. Okay, and you will send this prompt to ChatGPT and we'll give you guys this prompt. Okay, you will copy this prompt. Let me show you this one. Short and professional, very, very good. You will copy this reply and you will go back to X Twitter and you will click here and paste this reply here. And here, guys, you need to put your affiliate link. Of course, you will not post and put your affiliate link directly here. You will go to your affiliate account, your Fiverr affiliate account. You will copy your affiliate link from here and you will go back to X, but you need to put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Okay, then you can start, then you can paste here your landing page link or your website link. Okay, this is the safe way to promote affiliate links on X and make commissions. So you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. It's very important. If you start promoting affiliate links directly like this, you will get banned and you will get zero traffic and make zero commissions. It's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. It's very important. Okay, once you finish, then you can click here on reply. Okay, this is just an example, guys. I'm showing you how you can do it. Let me show you. Here you go. So your reply will be sent to those people who are searching for video editors on X, like this. Looking for video editor. I offer professional video editing for YouTube, shorts, reels, and more. Check out my services and order directly through my website. So if those people who are searching for video editor, they click on your website link or your landing page link as an example, they will be, guys, in this Fiverr seller page. If they click here on a request to order and they buy this service from you, you earn a commission. Okay, and for this service you earn 25% of the first order. So just the basic package, it's starting from $95. We have also some people can pay for standard package, some people can pay for premium package. Let's take just the basic. Okay, and let's go to ChatGPT and ask him like what he is, to show you guys just the potential of this business. Okay, of $95. Yes, just like this. Okay, let me show you guys, because the commission is very, very good. You guys can see it's $23. Okay, it's very, very good. $23 for the first commission. It's good. Keep in your mind, just this is just the basic package, because if they buy standard package you earn more, if they buy premium package you earn more. If they keep buying for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase they make on Fiverr. So you can turn this business into a passive income. And if you want to learn more about this business and how you can also promote your affiliate links, guys, on YouTube shorts and long videos and Pinterest and Instagram and TikTok and Facebook Reels, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. You can find my email in my video description. And also you get direct access to me. I keep following up with you to make sure you are applying the system correctly and you are doing everything correctly to make your first commissions. And that's it. And I work also, guys, with limited numbers of people. Okay, so if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. Also, you can go and watch my YouTube videos. I'm sharing a lot of valuable info here for free that you can follow. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.